Hello everyone and welcome to Hornsbury Mill. I'm incredibly grateful to have you all here, and a big thanks must go to all those involved in planning and setting up for this day. I'm sure you'll agree the venue looks amazing. So Abigail, you've grown into a fine young woman who gives 100% in everything you do. My first memory of Josh was seeing Darren pushing him along Lyme Regis seafront in a plastic car with Josh #1 on his number plate. Fast forward 20 plus years and he sneaks into the garage and asks for my daughter's hand in marriage. Very noble of him, I thought. I wish them both a long, happy and fruitful life together.
I, Joshua Samuel Rex Huckett.
I, Joshua Samuel Rex Huckett.
Take you, Abigail Sylvia Trott.
Take you, Abigail Sylvia Trott.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
I give you this ring.
As a sign of our love.
As a sign of our love.
I promise to be faithful.
I promise to be faithful.
Loving and loyal for always.
Loving and loyal for always.
To cherish you through good times and bad.
Cherish you through good times and bad.
And to respect and honour you.
And to respect and honour you.
It now gives me the greatest pleasure to declare that you are husband and wife. Congratulations. You may share a kiss and we will clap.
With these hands and these promises, you have joined your lives together. It's my honour to declare you bound by love, now and always. You may seal this moment with a kiss.
On behalf of me and my new wife, we would like to thank you all for coming to celebrate our new adventure together.
I've known Abby for not quite as long as I've known Josh, but these two never actually told me that they were together. I found out when they held hands all the way to Nottingham in the back of my car. I guess today has made it official though in my eyes, so but look how far you have come together. From holding hands in the back of my car to betrothal. This has been a fabulous bookend to the first chapter of your time together.